Alright, let's dive into something that's been blowing my mind lately. Have you heard about the Oscars red carpet ending up in a dumpster? Yeah, you heard that right. And then, this woman, Paige Thalia, just takes it home. Like, she turns it into her living room rug. Personally, I think this story is way more fascinating than who won Best Picture. It's not just about the carpet, it's about what it reveals about waste, sustainability, and our obsession with viral moments. Let me break it down for you. First off, the hook here is obvious. Why was the Oscars red carpet, this iconic symbol of glamour, tossed like yesterday's trash? I mean, when I first heard this, I assumed it was some kind of mistake. But nope. Thalia wasn't just lucky, she was curious. She saw rolls of pristine carpet outside the Dolby Theatre before the event and thought, what happens to this afterward? That curiosity led her to a dumpster filled with the stuff. And here's where it gets interesting, she didn't just take a small piece. She went for a huge roll. Her TikTok asking, is it insane to take a huge piece, is pure gold. It's like she's speaking for all of us who've ever wondered, can I just take this? But let's pause here. What many people don't realize is that the Oscars red carpet isn't just a strip, it's 50,000 square feet of material. That's massive. And while some of it gets recycled, a chunk of it ends up in the trash after just a few hours. From my perspective, this is where the story stops being funny and starts being, well, kind of depressing. We're talking about an event that's supposed to be the pinnacle of luxury, yet it's generating waste like it's nothing. If you take a step back and think about it, this isn't just an Oscars problem, it's a reflection of how many big events operate. Single-use everything, because why not? Now, here's where it gets even more intriguing. Thalia's TikTok went viral, and suddenly, everyone's talking about it. In my opinion, this is the power of social media at its best. She didn't just take the carpet, she exposed a system. And what this really suggests is that the Academy might have to rethink its practices. I mean, imagine next year's Oscars, 4 a.m., and there's a crowd of TikTokers dumpster diving for carpet scraps. It's chaos, but it's also kind of poetic. The red carpet, this symbol of exclusivity, becomes a free-for-all. What makes this really interesting is how it flips the script on what's valuable and what's waste. But let's not stop at the carpet. The Oscars ceremony is custom-built every year, which means there's probably a ton of other waste we're not even talking about. What about those fake mountains or Conan O'Brien's eagle? Are those single-use too? Could someone's living room be decorated with Oscar-themed props next? One thing that immediately stands out is how much potential there is for repurposing this stuff. It's not just about sustainability, it's about creativity. What if the Academy leaned into this? Imagine if they auctioned off pieces of the set for charity. It'd be a win-win. Now, let's talk about Thalia's carpet in her living room. She's already noticing it's not built to last. It's threadbare, fragile, basically, it's not meant for actual use. And this raises a deeper question, if the red carpet is such a big deal, why isn't it made to last? The Golden Globes and BAFTAs reuse their carpets. So, why can't the Oscars? Personally, I think this is where the Academy needs to step up. It's not just about looking good, it's about being good. Because let's be real, nothing damages the Oscars' prestige more than a viral video of its red carpet falling apart in someone's home. Lastly, there's the food waste angle. The Academy donates excess food, which is great, but mini chocolate Oscars sprayed in 24-karat gold? Really? It's a weird contrast, right? On one hand, they're trying to be sustainable, but on the other, they're still serving up edible luxury. What this really suggests is that sustainability in events like this is still a work in progress. It's not enough to just donate food or recycle some carpet, it's about rethinking the entire system. So, here's my closing thought. Paige Thalia didn't just take home a piece of carpet, she started a conversation. And in my opinion, that's way more valuable than any award. It's a reminder that even the most glamorous events have room for improvement. So, next time you watch the Oscars, think about that red carpet. Is it still single-use? Or did someone's TikTok finally change the game? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm curious to hear your take.